Good morning, everyone. So let us share the class for the today's. Okay. So I think screen is visible to everyone. So let us start today's class for maxima. So today's program number program number two, example number two. The example two contains question contains to the order find the order find the order of element of the multiplicative multiplicative group multiplicative group multiplicative group. So g is equal to g is equal to a comma a cap 2 comma a cap 3 comma a cap 4 comma a cap 5 comma a cap 6 is equal to 6. Okay. This is a question for program number second in example program number second in that example number 2. This is an example second example. So the question is to find the order of element of the multiplicative group g is equal to a square, a cube, a to the power 4, a to the power 5, then a to the power 6 is equal to 6. Okay, this is a question. Then we execute here. So first I will do a kilol. Then after that I will do an execution for this kilol. Kilol. So now writing the program. So program itself says. So first we before we write the program, let us discuss with an algorithm. So let us discuss with an algorithm. Okay. So let us start with algorithm notes. Then page number. The second practical in that second example. So this is practical number 3. This is practical number 2. So this is practical number 2. The computing the order of an element of a group. So the second practical is computing the order of an element of a group. So in that first we will see the algorithm. So algorithm is a step by step process of writing the program. This is a step by step process for writing an program. So first step, what is the first step? So step 1, enter the element of a group. G is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4. So here are we initiate the values of A1, A2, A3, A4. What we do? In first step, we initiate the values of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. So till what did they given? Did they give? We will initiate those values. In second step, specify the identity element E. We do here or we write a syntax for identity element of that for I is equal to j is less than or equal to 4. We write the syntax for this for getting an identity element. After that in third step we define the binary operation. In binary operation the I is greater than or less than j is less than or greater than. So after that in step 4 if ai raised to n is equal to e, then print order of ai is n. So if the order of n, if that a raised to order a2 raised to order of n, if here is an n. So if we get n here, in that place we get, if we get 2 3, then we execute here 2, then we write the order of n, the order of 2 is 2. So otherwise that take n of n is equal to n plus 1, then repeat the steps for fourth. If we get odd means we take n plus 1 times. Okay. Next, key commands. What are the important commands to execute the program for this? So a colon 1 is equal to 1. So if the array is used to store the value of I, the element of a group, I already said that in step 1 we initiate the values for a1, that stores in the values of a1. a1 equal to 1 means a1 stores the values 1. So after that, for the text jth statement, jth syntax we will write for j colon 1, while j is less than or not equal, j is less than or equal to 4, do. So as usually this is a fourth this is a jth syntax, and as usually we, for after that we go directly go for a loop. So if a b does not satisfy, then it goes to c. This is a loop for this. If statement 1 and statement 2 does not execute, then it will go to statement for next statement. So this is an output programming. So now we shall start the program, writing up a program. So first we have to write kill all. This is a mandatory to write the program kill all statement, kill all. So after that, what we have to initiate, we initiate the values of a1 a2 a3. So for that we will write enter the elements, enter the elements, then hash. So now we initiate the values of a1 colon 1, then dollar symbol. Next a2 colon 2, then a3 colon 3, then a4, sorry, there is a mistake here. Sorry, a2 colon a cap 2 means a square, with a given value is a square. After that the value of a3 is e to the power 3 means a cube. So after that a4 value is colon a cap 4. So then our dollar symbol. After that we initiate a5 value. a5 is a raised to 5, a raised to 5, then dollar symbol. The next a cap 6, a cap 6, a6 is a cap 6, then dollar symbol. So after that what we need to find out is, the question is to find out the order of an element, and multiplicate of the group. So first we find out identity element. So hash star, to find the identity we can write to find the identity element, or to find the specific of the identity element. So specific, specify, specific, the identity element, star, then hash as usually. So now we shall write the syntax for this. So what is that? So so given value is equal to colon. So what is e colon a raised a6 is equal to a6, then dollar symbol. Next, what we have to find out here, to find out find to find to find to find the order of element, to find the order of element for j colon 1, while j is less than or equal to So while j is less than or equal to 6, so as usually do, so after that we'll write a block here, then n n colon 1 and comma, the next enter if aj cap n is equal to e, or aj cap n aj cap n aj cap n is equal to e cap 2 or aj raised to n is equal to e cap 4 or aj cap n is equal to e cap 5 then print the statement print order of aj is equal to is equal to is equal to n is equal to n, then else this does not execute means then else bracket open n colon n plus 1 semicolon go go loop loop then dollar symbol. This we could get block or such. Once again here as an example, some execution has not been done here. The order of n here is n colon 1 plus n plus 1. Once again, something error has been found out here. So before that we have to add here a loop loop comma the output has not been shown here. So once again we'll wait, I will adjust this. So here this has been not been here, it should be 3 and here it should be 4. Here it should be 4 or then here it should be 5, then it will be executed here. Once again wait, here it's not an executing part. If we do this, it will be executed like uh, order of order of a is equal to A equal to 6, then order of a square a cap 2 is equal to 3, then the order of 3 is equal to 2, then order of 4 is equal to 3, then order of 5 is equal to 6, then order of 6 is equal to 1. It will be executed and like this. So for some conditions it has been not executed here. I will be re-specified this afterwards and clarify your doubts. So A6 to find out the identity element, equivalent 6, the dollar symbol to identify the order of an element for j is less than or equal to 1, j is less than or equal to 1. As usually block loop of this an 2, 3, 4, 5, then order of aj or say conditions it does not executing here. I will wait file a minute. I'll check it out. The cell vulneration 8 commands left under the current cells. Install this. Let us verify after this. Now I will be going for theoretically part. I will be going for theoretically part. So theoretical part contains so to find in theoretically we find out to find the order of each element of the multiplicative group g is equal to a comma a square a cube e to the power 4 e to the power 5 e to the power 6 is equal to e. They are given a square e to the power 3 e to the power 4 e to the power 5 e to the power 6 is equal to e. Here, by the data, we know that a raised to n is equal to e here. So what are the values go on you adding here? It will be is equal to n. Hence, the first order, for the first element, we have a to the power 6 is equal to e. Then order of a is equal to will also be in e. So for our for the order of second element, we have a to the power 2 to the power 3. Then we have order a to the power 6 is equal to e, then order is a to the power 2. So we write here a to the power 2 is equal to 3. So next for the third element we have a to the power 3 whole to the power 2, we have a raised to 6 is equal to e. So we have an order of a is equal to 3. So for that the outward element is here outward element is 2. So we shall write it as 2. So now for the fourth element we have a to the power 6 whole to the power 2. If we multiply these two we get 6 12. So it is equal to 2. So the order or the order of a raised to 4 is equal to 3. This if we write split it means it will be getting for the element 5 fifth element we have a to the power 5 whole to the power 6 is equal to a cube. A to the power 6 is equal to e. The order of a is 6. So as usually for the last element of a sixth element we have a raised to 6 is equal to the order of a raised to 6 is equal to 7. Okay, this is the theoretically part which you have been asking for regular release classes. So there is an output part, there is theoretical part. As usually I executed the programming also. So if any queries you can ask to me afterwards. Thank you.